Welcome. In this video, we'll walk through the generic outbound scenario, a flexible outbound communication framework that gives your team full control over every part of the AI's behavior, voice, and objective. This scenario is built for businesses that need complete flexibility in their outbound strategy. Because it's a generic setup, you're not locked into one specific use case. It adapts to almost any kind of outreach. You can use it to introduce a new service, reconnect with old leads, offer a free consultation, or even just share educational insights with potential clients. The real power here is control. You decide the tone, friendly and approachable or polished and professional. You decide how objections are handled, and even what happens if the contact doesn't pick up. Think of it as a blank canvas for outbound communication, one that you can shape to fit nearly any goal, industry, or audience. This scenario is divided into 4 customizable sections. Caller and agent setup defines who the AI is and the framing of the outreach. Call purpose and pitch sets the primary goals and value. Conversation handling and logic defines tone, structure, and objection management. Follow-up communication defines the voicemail used when no one answers. This section controls how the AI introduces itself at the start of the call. Use the identity field to set the agent's persona and style. Example, an AI outreach specialist calling on behalf of Northstar Analytics. Friendly, clear, and focused on starting a helpful conversation. In your build, use a custom variable for the company name, so the AI says your brand on every call. This field guides how the AI presents itself, so the introduction matches the tone of your campaign. This section defines what the outreach is meant to accomplish and what value is being delivered. The objectives field is where you list the key goals of the call. For example, educating the contact, offering a free resource, or sharing insights. This helps the AI stay focused and clearly communicate why the call matters to the prospect. This is where the real flexibility of this scenario shines. The style guardrails field sets the overall tone of the conversation. That might mean keeping it casual and approachable when speaking with small business owners, or more polished and corporate when you're targeting enterprise executives. Next, the response guidelines give you control over how the AI replies in real time. Do you want responses to be short and to the point? Or would you prefer a more consultative style, where the AI takes a little more time to explain and guide? This is the place to define that. Then there's the conversation flow. Think of this as your playbook for the entire call, how the intro should sound, which key talking points to cover, how to transition into your pitch, and the best way to wrap things up. Of course, no call is complete without objection handling. This is one of the most powerful tools you have. By preparing responses to common roadblocks, whether it's hesitation, budget pushback, or timing concerns, you make sure the AI can keep the conversation moving with confidence. Finally, key information gives the AI a library of supporting details to pull from, like your company name, services, or proof points. That way, if a prospect asks for clarification or specifics, the AI has credible answers ready. Together, these fields give you total control over how the call sounds, feels, and flows, making this scenario adaptable to virtually any audience or outreach goal. If no one answers, the AI will use your voicemail message to leave a professional, concise summary of the outreach and how to reconnect or book time. All configuration happens at the project level in Ava, and each campaign can override the fields as needed to match specific audiences or services. This makes it easy to run multiple scheduling campaigns with unique tone, messaging, and outcomes, all powered by a single base scenario. Watch the demo video below to see the generic outbound scenario in action. You'll see how the AI follows a structured flow, adjusts its tone based on your input, handles objections naturally, and delivers a message that reflects your brand perfectly. You are all set. If you have any questions or require further assistance, visit help.thinkrr.ai or email us at hello@thinkrr.ai. Thank you for watching.